Hi, I'm Sandy Hyland, Business Development Manager with Sacramento Delta Property Management. I've been here for 15 years. I'm here today with Nathaniel Palafax. He is recently licensed and he's been in the industry for over 8 years too with us. And he's here today to talk to us about maintenance, our process. Go ahead.
So maintenance is never easy, or is it fun for anyone to have to deal with, but it happens. So with Sacramento Delta, we try to make it as smooth and painless as possible.
That's right. And so tell us a little bit about maybe start to finish. When somebody gives you a call, what are you going to do first?
So we're going to try and figure out the resident's complaint as to what's going on, try basic troubleshooting so that we don't send somebody out when we don't have to. And then we'll contact a vendor if necessary, get them out to give us an estimate. Or if the repair is only, something minimal or small, then up to $250 we'll take care of it, just so we don't have to bother anyone. But if it's over that, then we're going to go ahead and get an estimate and present it to our owner to see if they'd like to proceed with that or find one of their vendors they'd like to use.
Mm-hmm. We're flexible that way. So what happens though after hours when there's an emergency?
For nights and weekends, we do have an on-call licensed property manager that works with Sacramento Delta. So we always have somebody that can take that call.
That's right. They usually do it on a rotation basis. So they're familiar with our process. They can look into your account and make sure that they're handling it in the manner that you elect to have us do it, and proceed from there. Other than that, so what happens if you have to collect bids and...
So we're going to present those bids to our owner. We'll usually shop around and get multiple estimates if possible. We do have a full list of vendors that we do work with that are licensed and contracted. However, should the owner want to go through another vendor of their liking or choice, then we can do that as well.
That's right. What happens if the resident caused the damage?
So if the resident did end up being responsible for the damage, then we will bill the resident for that repair.
That's right. So if you have any questions about our process, please reach out, speak to us. We can also, use your vendor. That's one of those ways that we're flexible. You can either, choose from one of ours. We have a ton of them. I don't even know how many we have on our list, but they're all excellent. And if you have somebody that you prefer, we can arrange for that too. As well as, maybe you want to do the work. So we have some owners who like to do their own work, and in that case, we try not to tell them that's who's at their house, but that's up to you, of course. So give us a call.